Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to back Learn and Grow with Ali. This is our day 8 lecture at our full Python course in 2025. So in this lecture we will learn arithmetics operators in Python. Arithmetic operators in Python, I will explain everything. So in Python, arithmetic operators used to perform mathematics. These operators help us add, subtract, multiplication, divide, and so do many other operators. In this lecture, we will learn all arithmetic operators with simple expressions and clear examples. So first, I'll make the open the folder. Then make the file main.event. So, list of arithmetics operators. There are multiple lists, but I will show you some. Addition adds to value, and subtraction values, multiplications multiply values, divisions give result in a decimal. Floor decision give whole number, and models gives reminders, expands power. So we will now explain everyone with the easy example. So I will explain the first. Addition operators means adds two numbers. For example, if I print 10 plus 5, so this is the first example, additions operators. Another example is that A is equal to 12, B is equal to 8, and if I print A is equal to B. So this is the second example, addition operators. Another example is if I print this is the string additions. Third example, if I print Ali plus Heather. The third example, addition strings, addition operators. You can call addition operators. Now I move on the subtractions operators, means subtract second value from the first value. For example, if I print so first I will write here subtraction values. First I print 20 minus 7, and another example, x is equal to 50, y is equal to 15. If I print x minus y, so this is our second example. So now I move on the multiplications operators, mean multiplies numbers. Multiplications, print, this is multiplication, sorry, this is the subtractions example. This one, this is the subtraction, this is the additions, and now I'm talking about the multiplications. What is multiplication? If I print 6 and multiplication 4, so this is the first example. Second example is price is equal to 200, quantity is equal to 3. If I print price multiplications quantity, so this is second example. Now move on this third example, that the strings repetitions. If I print hi and 3, so the defining examples of multiplications operators in Python. Now I move the divisions operators in Python. Divides numbers and give a decimal result float. For example, print 15 2. This is the first example. The second example, a is equal to 20, b is equal to 5. For instance, if I print a take b, this is the second example in your division operators. Now move on the floor. Division means division but result is whole number only, no decimal. Python remove the decimal part. For example, print 15/2. Because 15/2 is equal to 7.5 and float division, remove 0.5. For example, if I print 20/3, so this is the example. So now move on this 8. This is the Modulus operators, means give remainders after division. For example, print 10%3, because 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9 remainders. For example, print 25% 4. Output user case, if check if a number is even or odd. Num is equal to 10. If I print num percent 2, so 0 means even. So this is our Modulus operators. Now move on the exponents operators used to calculate powers, races to numbers power. For example, print 1 3, because 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equal to 8. So the second example, print 5 3 2. Output is 25 5. Another example is print 10 0. Output is 1. Now I'm talking about the combine multiple operators. Python follow operators percentage and for example print 2 plus 3 plus 4 4. And expression expression 3 4 is equal to 12. First 2 plus 12 is equal to 25 14. So now I'm talking about the calculator discounts examples. I will show you some examples. Price is equal to 500. Discount is equal to 50. Final price is equal to price discount and print final price. Final price. The total marks of a student. The second example, total marks of a student. Math is equal to 85. English is equal to 90%. Science 75. Total math plus English plus science and print total marks total. So this is this second example. The third example, average marks. Average is equal to total print average average. This is the third example. The fourth example, convert hour to minutes. Hours is equal to 3 minutes is equal to hours. And print mint mint. So this is it, for example, to convert hour to minutes. So this is our arithmetic operators in Python lecture. Thank you for watching. In this lecture we learned all operators, arithmetic operators in Python with clear examples. In the next class we will study another topics about the Python full course. Make sure to like, subscribe, learn and grow with Ali. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep going. Allah Hafiz.